Guys, this is Braden with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we are sitting aboard this 2003 Regulator Classic, very rare boat, complete open bow. We'll show you that in just a minute. This boat only has 210 hours, repowered with 2017 Mercury Verados. As you can see, the cockpit is nice and large, perfect for that offshore day, trolling, deep drop, anything you guys want to do. Plenty of rod holders throughout. You got a freshwater sink, bait station, huge live well. Also, you've got your insulated fish box. We'll move ahead to the helm and I'll show you what's going on here. Okay guys, we're here at the helm of this 2003 Regulator Classic 32 again. As you can see here, we've got dual screens, Simrad autopilot, which is great for going offshore, dual VHF, and brand new JL audio stereo system that will rock your world. All right guys, we're here at the bow of this massive 32 Regulator. As you can see, it's an extremely wide boat, plenty of room for you and your buddies to go out fishing, tons of rod holders throughout. It does have the windlass anchor, huge fish boxes, insulated box at the front of the console here. Great thing about this boat, it's got a half station up top. Does not have controls, but still great for cobia fishing. Hey guys, again, this is Braden with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. If you guys want to come view this beautiful vessel, I'd love to show it to you. You can call me at 727-744-7304.